There are some great deals on certain items this month, and Consumer Reports shares what people can get their hands on without breaking the bank. News 4 Tucson's Priscilla Casper in the TechNet Center with the deep discounts.
Well, don't you always love to save a buck here and there? Well, Consumer Reports tracks prices all year round and found there are 5 products perfect for spring that consumers can purchase for deep discounted prices in April. So first, gas grills. Consumer Reports shoppers tip: look for solid construction. The more stable the grill, the better. Also be sure to check out the wheels and burners. Second, lawn mowers and tractors are also on sale. They can range from hundreds to thousands of dollars. Consumer Reports advises shoppers to look for a removable battery and wheel size when choosing which kind to get. Third are pressure washers. The report advises to consider renting, and if you're cleaning small spaces, consider using an electric model, which is lighter and easier to maintain. So fourth, windows. Consumer Reports advises to get bids from multiple contractors to see who can offer the best price. And lastly, as you can imagine, sunscreen. Consumer Reports advises don't go by price. Instead, look for a product with SPF 50 or higher to protect you from the UV rays. Happy shopping from the TechNet Center. I'm Priscilla Casper.
Coming